got to do is tell it to turn me loose, and it got to turn me loose.
I know you're right.
Because a turn me loose on earth is a turn me loose in heaven.
Come on.
It's always like red light, green light, honey. When I say red light, you better stop where you at. Red light, green light, you out.
Yeah, you out.
And we don't even realize the access that we have. Because the whole thing of red light, green light, and all that kind of stuff is that I got to be a good listener. I got to be able to hear intent out what I got to be able to hear. I got to be able to hear. I'm trying to reveal something. You got to be able to hear. You got to hear it.
Come on, here.
He said, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to sharpen your hearing. I'm trying to make sure you can hear me. Because there's some stuff that's going to be running rampant, and you're going to be taking it. Do you realize the last season, the stuff you took, you didn't have to?
Come on.
Do you realize the stuff the enemy slapped you in your face, and all you had to do is go and lock it up? Bind it. This vicious cycle you was on, all you had to lack. Oh, you want to play? He said, I'm blessed in the city and the field. Come here, let me bind you up. Lock him up and release blessings. But that's the thing. If I'm going to bind it up, I got to release something in its place.
Yes.
That's the key to deliverance. You
go.
want something to come out, but you're going to put that back
There
in.
you go.
What?